Hi everyone, good morning. It's 7:30-ish and I'm on my way to work now. This is what it looks like. Looks like it's gonna be a really nice day.
Ito yung area namin guys, malapit sa bahay namin and mostly sa mga buildings, condo apartments.
True. Mostly all of the housing here is residential.
That's right. And malapit sa amin, ito yung tinuro ko last time na hindi nyo nakita. Ito yung
Ba't mo tinuro?
basketball court and then ano ba yun, pwede mag-tennis din doon. Yeah.
Ito na, malapit na ako doon sa station. Nihingal na ako ng part na to siguro.
Ayan na guys, papasok na tayo sa train station. And ang kadalian lang dito sa amin talaga, malapit lang siya, walking distance lang siya sa train station. Pwede namang mag-bus.
10 minutes na ano.
Yeah, pwedeng mag-bus pero pinili namin talaga na mag-walk para at least may movement sa katawan namin. Right?
Ayan na. May makikita kayo ng train. Ayan, na-miss ko yan kaya 5 minutes late ako ngayong araw na.
Yan guys, yung dalawang platforms na yan, yung isa going to downtown, yung isa papasok ng inner.
Yeah, papunta ng Surrey yung very last na train station na. Ata yung connected dito.
Kung na-notice nyo, masyadong maganda na yung araw talaga ngayon. Balita namin sa buong week yan and hopefully tuloy-tuloy na yung sikat ng araw.
Pero medyo malamig siya for Vancouver. Mga nasa 1 degree kami. And I know na masyadong malamig dyan sa mga lugar nyo like Calgary. Ate said na it was minus 37 today. Crazy.
Pero iba yung lamig dun, no?
Pero fresh naman yung lamig ngayon, in fairness. Hindi rainy na lamig.
Dahil maaraw na.
Ayan si ate na nasa harap ko. Naiinis ako kanina kasi nandyan siya. Pero okay na rin. Parang may kasama kayo.
Ayan guys, yun yung makikita nyo guys na mga view. Maganda nga yung pagka-take na ngayon ni Kim kasi may mga view na kayo nakikita. Minsan pag ako umaalas super early pa, masyado pang madilim kaya wala kayong makikita.
Yeah. Ayan mga maraming buildings na. Pero that's not downtown yet. Ano pa rin yun? Residential. Ayan na, papasok na ako ng work. I get off at Burrard Station, so this is where I am right now. They're gonna renovate Burrard though, so it's gonna close for a while.
Yeah, pero may access pa rin naman kayo. I think i-route lang nila yung labasan ng mga tao sa Burrard Station.
I think they're gonna close it. Hindi ko alam actually. Who knows? Let us know, Vancouver Transit, if you're watching this. Alam mo na.
Yan guys, yung tinuturo ni Kim, yan yung school ko dati.
True, yung brown na building yung school ni Kat. Tapos yung blue na building, doon ako nag-work ngayon.
Right. Masyadong marami kayong makikita mga tall buildings dito kasi nga, ito yung sinasabi namin na business district.
Yeah. Ayan siya, magkocross na ako ng street. Yan yung Cactus Club. I don't know if you guys been there. I don't like it.
Oh, that's an honest review.
Yeah, Cactus Club, if you're watching this, alam mo na. This was my breakfast. Ayan me.
Ayan you.
Oh, that's my lunch. See, naka-bowl yung isa tapos yung leftover ko naka-ano pa rin.
Yeah. Guys, trivia lang. Every Wednesday kasi may free lunch sila Kim.
Yan ba?
Huh?
Yan ba yung beef?
Huh?
Yan ba yung beef? Donut?
Oh no, there were no more.
Sabi mo yun ba?
Wala na.
May kami yung building. Malalaman nila kung saan ka na tour.
Sabi ko dyan yung school mo.
Oh yeah, dyan yung school natin.
Bus.
Hi guys! Kakalabas lang namin ni Kim sa work. So, ito yung area ng banda ng work ni Kim. Sa Burrard to. Yan yung Burrard Station. Diyan yung school ko dati. And then, bandang dito, puro buildings lang to lahat. Mga business districts.
Yeah, look, RBC. So sunny today. Tignan mo.
Sobrang sunny pero sobrang lamig din.
This is Burrard Station. This is the passenger view of SkyTrain. Fun fact, walang driver ang SkyTrain or train dito sa Vancouver. It was amazing when I moved here and I found out. Kasi merong driver sa Calgary.
Ah, meron ba? Oh, that's nice. Tsaka automatic yung ano nila dito, guys. Yung doors
Yung
nila.
door, true.
Yan.
One time, I was standing at the door and then I was waiting for it to open in Calgary. Kasi dito,
You have to
diba?
press something, diba?
Oo, sa Calgary, you have to press. Tapos, I was waiting for it. Tapos nakatayo lang ako dun.
Oh.
And then, nag-go na yung na-miss ko yung stop ko. Ah, so stupid. Ayun na, pa-uwi na kami.
Oo. Kung ano nilakaran namin, yan lang din yung babalikan namin.
Tingnan niyo, may flyer ng, I don't know what this is, pero si Duterte yan. So, Duterte, if you're watching, hi. Shout out sa'yo, Duterte. Ito yung yung tennis court and basketball court. Maraming nagpa-play ng tennis and basketball court dito, in fairness.
Yeah.
And most of them Filipinos.
True, yan yung na-notice ko din. Yung mga Asians, yung mga Indian.
Ayun na, nagbo-blue na yung, nagbo-blue?
Nagbo-bloom?
Nagbo-bloom.
Oo. Nagbo-bloom na siya, guys, kasi nag-start na mag-change yung season. Siguro nararamdaman ng mga plants na, ito na yun, panahon na.
Yeah, they're like, I'm coming out. I've got the world to know. It's time to let them show. Mali yata yung lyrics. Okay lang yan.
Kung nagtataka kayo, guys, or if magtatanong kayo kung naririnig ba yung train sa bahay namin kasi malapit lang kami sobra sa train station, hindi naman po.
The answer is no. Pero the answer is also yes.
At times, pero hindi gaanong kalakas.
True. Pero pag naka-open yung window,
Rinig na rinig.
rinig na. Maganda lang talaga yung insulation ng window sa sound. Ayan na. May mga bunga-bunga na sila. Maganda dito, guys, ang cherry blossom.
True. So, sa mga nagbabalak dyan na gustong bumisita dito sa Vancouver to witness yung cherry blossom.
Maganda ang cherry blossom. Maganda sa pictures. Maganda ang weather. Sunny na. Tapos nandito pa kami. Shout out, Mom and Dad. And Carmela. Hi, Carmela. Love you.
Hi, Carmela.
And hi to Moyer.
And Martina.
And Miguel.
Hi, babies.
We miss you.
I miss you guys.
They're all our babies from Calgary, and they are all friends, and they are all the cutest.
That is true.
We're home now, and we're cooking adobo for dinner. This was my leftover from lunch this morning, and then Kat bought bubble tea from
Judan.
Jenjudan. Yeah.
Judan!
So yeah, it's pretty dark already, but it's only 6 6:30. So hopefully this will be done before 7. So yeah. Here are the pots that we bought yesterday. And then this is what we use for coffee, the Nespresso. Oh, shoot. Almost broke it. There you go. And there's Cat. And I'm just gonna edit also. Also, this one, it fell the other day. So yesterday, we had to buy like a... Yeah, the hook for it. Pero the renter-friendly ones, the ones that don't have to get poked. It's just the ones that you stick. And then it's no... what's that called? No mess? Yeah. So it doesn't ruin your walls. You just kind of pull it down and then that's it. So yeah, that's it everyone.
That's it. See you on the next vlog.
See you on the next vlog. Hi Carmela.
Hi, Carmela.
Love you. Love you guys. Love you everyone. Bye.